What do you do, ladies and gentlemen? Welcome to the crypto channel 329. Today's video we are going to talk about Bybit. Okay, seems like there is a free MNT up for grabs currently on Bybit. So I'm going to show you how to do that. First things first, you got a KYC on Bybit. Okay, so once you are KYC'd, you can come over here. This is the main page. So if you don't have a Bybit account, I'll leave a link in the description of this video so you can join Bybit and join this I'll call it Launchpad or Launch Pool, similar to the Binance one that I've mentioned yesterday. And over here, we got the details. So let's click over here and let's view the details about this Mantle. Okay, so Mantle essentially is going to be a blockchain layer 2 on Ethereum. Okay, just like many other tokens that were released like ARB, Aptos, AVAX, etc. Okay, so over here we can see the subscription period. It started today at 10 o'clock and it will end in 5 days time at 02:59 UTC time. So the price is nothing, so you won't pay a thing to uh, get these free tokens, and supply is 2.5 million tokens. Okay, and over here we can see the total investment, right? So total amount of funds committed by all users for the current lockup term, okay, 6.7 mil, and total participants 67,000. Okay, and some countries are restricted, so if you are in one of these countries right here, you're not going to be able to participate in this subscription. Okay, and over here we got the details about the project. Okay, so essentially it's going to be Ethereum blockchain layer 2. Okay, and over here we got the Mantle mainnet. It's going to be July 2023, and Mantle LSD late 23. And over here we got the team behind this project. Okay, but yeah, if you are interested in this kind of thing, I'd recommend it to come over here and read it about it. Okay, so let's go back and let's see if we can commit to this subscription. Okay, so we need 100 USDT, okay, on our funding account. Okay, as you can see right here, I've got 106. So what I will do is I will commit my USDT in order for this to receive a few tokens. I'm not sure if I'm going to receive a few tokens, but let's try to figure it out. So the committed amount will be temporarily locked in your funding account after successful subscription and unlocked once token distribution is completed. You will then be able to receive a MNT from the token sale. If you would like to increase your collateral, please upgrade to VIP status to upgrade your VIP level before subscribing. Okay, I don't want to, let me see what does it take for me to upgrade. I'm not really sure what this VIP is about, but probably becoming VIP, so you need a 50K. That's way out of my budget, so never mind. Never mind. I'm gonna be happy with my 100 bucks. Okay, so I've got my 100 USDT right there. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and confirm. Right, I'm gonna go ahead and agree, and boom. Okay, so MT subscription, MNT, damn, this is so hard to, MNT, month subscription successful. Your ticket number is 109520, 5220. Okay, please note that successful commitment does not guarantee token allocation. Okay, cool. So that's done. So now the results will be announced on the 17th of July at 06 o'clock UTC time. Okay, so each winner, so if I get selected, if I get selected in this subscription, I will get between 1,000 and 2,200 MNT tokens. Okay, so cool. So if one token goes to, let's say, a buck, that will be 1,000 to 2,000 bucks, right? So that's just pure speculation, but we'll see. It's free. Okay, so at the end of this thing, this subscription, even if I don't get select it, my money will go back to my funding account. Okay, so uh, there is no lose-lose situation here. Okay, so earn 10 MNT for each friend you invite to the NMT by starter up to 100 NMT. So what I'm going to do is I am going to share this um, link with y'all, okay? And whoever wants to get this free token, right? All you need is 100 USDT in your Bybit account, okay? All you got to do is come over here, submit join, and you have to submit your 100 USDT between, What's going on here? Between 30th June and 17th of July. Okay, if you say so, all you got to do is click in the link in the description below, and you know what to do because I just showed you what to do, right? So that being said, guys, I'm gonna wrap this video up. Stay tuned in for the next one. Peace.